The best side hustle that you can start nowadays is to create the digital products, because the advantage of digital products over the physical products is that you just have to create them once and then you can sell them 1,000 times. And the other advantage is that you don't have to worry about the drop shipping or the shipping, because it's a digital file, and onto the platforms where you will be selling these products, they will take care of everything. You just have to create that file once, upload it on that platform, then give your bank account details, and whenever that file is sold, you will earn the money. So in this video, I will give you few ideas that you can create those digital products, and we'll start with the easy one. I'm going to show you this onto the platform, which is an Etsy. I'm sure that most of you would be familiar with this. This platform is popular for buying and selling of handmade products, but at the same time, this is probably the largest platform where the digital products are sold. And I've just searched the printables, which are also a form of a digital product, and you can see that right at the search bar we can find few ideas: printable wall arts, printable art, planners, calendars and cards. But we'll just search printables, and there are 1,000+ results, but we'll just skip the first two lines, the editor's pick, and then the second line is the ads. So we'll start from here. You can see that this is a weekly planner, very easy to create. You can create it in Microsoft Word, Google Docs, or any other software like PowerPoint or Google Slides or Keynote. So these products, a meal planner, then we have Excel sheet, which is a budget planner. Here we have a daily checklist for the school. This is a blank printable calendar, monthly calendar for this current year, and this person is selling it at $1.69. So probably excluding the fee of the platform, he'll be getting around $1 if this digital file is sold once. And you can see right here there is a tag of bestseller, which means that this person is knows what to sell on this platform. So you can create these monthly, weekly calendars, and then there are different designs. If you want to create those, you can also do that. The paycheck budget planner, then we have meal planner, grocery list, wedding planner. This is a very popular niche. Cleaning planner. Then we have password tracker, monthly habit tracker, to-do list, 1,000 tombola tickets. Another thing that you can sell as a digital product, which are not very difficult to create, and those are the worksheets. Look at this, how easy and simple it is to create this math worksheets, where you just have to create the addition or subtraction worksheets. Then we have preschool, kindergarten learning printables. Most of the worksheets that you will see is targeted towards the kids, so you can create those things which the teachers that are teaching the preschoolers or kindergarten would require, and those are selling like hotcakes. Printable matching worksheet. So you can create these kind of worksheets in Canva. It is very easy. Another thing that you can create is the checklists. You can see that there are different kinds of checklists that you can create, like the checklist template, which is a blank checklist, then to-do checklist. Then we have the different formats of checklist, like this one. He is selling it at almost $3. Weekly checklist, grocery list, cleaning checklist, travel packing checklist. So you can create so many digital products, and in my subsequent videos, maybe one or two, I will show you few more ideas, and then we are going to I'm going to create these silent videos where I will not be speaking, but I'll just be creating these templates. Those videos will be long, kind of an ASMR video, and if any of you would be interested, you can watch those videos and create those templates with me. We will be using the AI for this purpose. We'll take the help of ChatGPT, and also we'll be creating it in Canva. So if you do not have Canva, I would suggest that you buy it. You can use the free version of that, but if you want to skip the Canva, you can create it in Google Docs, or if you have Microsoft Word. So if you are interested in starting a digital products business, then I would highly recommend to watch my subsequent videos and share these videos to your colleagues who might be interested in these kinds of videos and interested in starting a side hustle.